Hi, my name is Kayla Summers, and I made a little presentation for my introduction video. So I will go through this PowerPoint real quick to kind of introduce myself. So thank you for your introduction video and just a warm welcome. So my name is Kayla Summers. I was born and raised in Berthoud, and I now live in Johnstown. So I am a northern Colorado, um, born and raised kind of girl. I did live in Texas for 2 years, but we came back because we love it here so much. I did my undergrad at UNC. I was a double major, and I was a double major in biological sciences for secondary teaching and got my teaching licensure. And at the same time, I also got my degree as an athletic trainer. So I am a BOC certified athletic trainer as well. I am a high school teacher. I'm in my 7th year, and I now teach at Roosevelt High School here in Johnstown. It is a wonderful school and a wonderful school district to work at. I just absolutely love it, and I couldn't say more positive things about it. So I'm teaching AP biology, honors biology, on-level biology, and anatomy and physiology. So I have my hands full this semester, but pretty much exactly what I want to be doing. So I'm really excited about that. These are my kiddos. So Luke just turned 4. He's a Christmas baby. And Ruby is almost 18 months. So they keep me on my toes on top of school and all the activities. And knowing that you have a 3-year-old at home, you totally understand that. So I just, as a mama, you have to brag on your little one. So those are my kiddos. My goals. So the degree that I am seeking is a master's in biological sciences. I'm doing the non-thesis emphasis because I am still teaching full-time at Roosevelt and being a mom. So I thought this degree was perfect. Dr. Reinsvold was actually my advisor in my undergrad as well. So he's fantastic, and just feel really lucky that this was such a good fit for me. So my goal with my degree is that I want to teach dual credit courses for my students. And my school district, well, we actually just passed a mill and bond. So we will be building a brand new high school opening in fall of 2023. And we are going to start a CTE program in health sciences. And that has been my goal since day one. I absolutely love health sciences. And I hope that I can be certified here, get my credentialing in just a couple of weeks to go through with that. But getting my master's in biology just will help me be the best that I can be. My goals for this class are what I am most excited about. I'm really excited to expand my knowledge on the human immune system. So one of my main classes that I teach is anatomy and physiology. And it's my passion, it's my love. And immune system is one of those systems that it's like, oh, if we have enough time, we'll get to it because it's so vast. So anyways, I hope to just expand my knowledge on that so I feel more confident in making sure we can get to that unit and I can teach it to the best of my ability. And then gathering a broad understanding of infectious diseases, including their treatments, and that will help prepare me for the health science program when I can start that at the school. So thank you so much. I am looking forward to this class, and I will hope to see you on Zoom at some time. Thank you.